We're now going to have a look at the icon menu and nameplates for these panel footprints that we generate from our schematics. So we've still got our block here, and if I zoom in a little bit, you can see there that it's still F1. You can just see that there. It's obviously a little bit small, that text, so I'll zoom out slightly, but that's the F1 text there. Now what I want to do is add a standard nameplate to this particular component on this footprint. So before we do anything, we need to right click on our project, add the active drawing, say yes to the project default values. Now there are some terminal association values in there, just say yes to that. And there's our icon menu and nameplates drawing. Right click, properties, drawing properties, and make sure that our sheet value is sequential at 02 there, and OK that. That'll update the project, and as you can see our current drawing is icon menu and nameplates. Now let's have a look at utilising the icon menu and more importantly a name plate off of that icon menu. So I'm in the panel tab again here, like so, and there's the icon menu there. If I click on the down arrow, I've got icon menu just there, like so. So I click on icon menu. It looks very similar to what we utilised in previous exercises. However, we're not inserting a component, we're inserting a footprint. Can you see that there? So there's our nameplates there. Notice you've got other components, panel layout symbols that you can utilise as a footprint. I want nameplates here, so I click on nameplates, and I've got a choice of nameplate. I can use a generic description nameplate like so, there's number only, and so on. Let's use generic tag number only, like so. And then it says select object, so I'll select my footprint, and I'll right click to confirm. Now, I can add information to this nameplate. Can you see that there? There's the component tag that came off of the footprint there, F1. Now we'll put something into the nameplate description there. So we'll put there, let's say, component, and we'll put there, say, footprint. It could be anything based on what you're working on at the time. So we'll call it component footprint, like so. We could also do a catalog lookup and have a particular type. As you can see there are actual catalog items that we can use there. So let's give it a white custom text one there. Let's go for that. And we'll OK that now. A different footprint found for this manufacturer catalog combination. That's because I've picked the catalog one. Yes, change it. So we'll change that. And there's my new catalog nameplate. Now that's just dropped that in on the insertion point of the footprint, which was that bottom left corner. Remember when we created the block of the rectangle, that was the insertion point. Now I can click on that, right click, I can move that if I want to. So let's move it around maybe. Let's move it off of that component. So I can go there like that. I can go to the home tab, I can click on move, pick the point that I want to move it from, and I might drop it, let's say, there, like so. Now that bit hasn't moved. That polyline there, you'll notice, because I didn't select both blocks. There are actually two there. There's that one there and that one there. So you will need to move both, like so. Select move, I'll go from there and just drop it up there, like so. If I zoom in on that, look, F1 component footprint. As I put in when I edited the nameplate that I generated from the icon menu. Because I used a catalog lookup, that is now a catalog lookup component. So if I select it and have a look there at the attributes and go list or edit there, as you can see, there's my catalog number for it there. So I'll just OK that and leave it as it is. So I'll look at it there and I'll leave it as it is. And as you can see, that is your component footprint with its catalog number ready to go on your footprint generated from your schematic components.